What is the definition of a right angle? Well, we know right angles are angles that measure 90 degrees. We also know that the two legs, or the two rays that form that angle, are perpendicular. We know that perpendicular lines form right angles. So some symbols we can use to show 90 degrees. If you see this little box in the corner of your angle, it tells us we have a 90-degree angle. And this symbol, our upside down T, is the symbol for perpendicular. And again, if I have perpendicular lines, I know that I will be forming right angles.